Hello everyone, I have Anu Nathan with me, who's the CEO of Smart Monitor. So Anu, hello and welcome.
Thank you very much. I'm really pleased to be here today.
So you mentioned that this is your first time in TiECon. How's your experience so far?
It's been awesome. Honestly, coming into TiECon yesterday, I didn't know what to expect. But the energy, just meeting other companies, startups, entrepreneurs, it's been a very, very awesome experience. And the connections I've made in the last day and a half have been enormous. Really awesome.
Well, that's really nice to know. So can you tell us a little bit more about your company, Smart Monitor?
Sure, definitely. We are in healthcare IT. We essentially provide a full solution allowing individuals and physicians to better manage certain types of complex chronic conditions, for instance, such as epilepsy. Again, we are not FDA cleared, we are applying for an FDA clearance. So what we do is increase the safety of the individuals who are prone to these conditions, because when there is an acute episode, we make sure that we alert their designated care providers in a very timely fashion within seconds so that they can intervene and provide the necessary assistance.
So do you work with a lot of pharmaceutical companies and biotech companies as well?
Actually, we work a lot with, pharma is something that's coming down the line. And we are actually working with several advocacy groups in these healthcare situations, and so they act as a good channel for us. But down the road, we are going to be utilizing pharma and device companies as a very prominent channel for us. So really, we are working with several physicians, neurologists who treat these conditions. They are the primary folks we work with today.
So Anu, how have been your experience so far with this thing?
It's been I've learned a lot. It's been very educational. I've been a co-founder of two other companies, one of which was acquired several years ago, back in 2000, and the other one is still in business. Those are both tech companies, so I come from a tech background. And in the life sciences space, that's been very different, because a lot of the cost is front-loaded. You have your prototype, then you do your clinical validations, and you go through the FDA, and then you bring your product to market. So there is a long cycle, which is very different from tech. So that has been single-handedly the biggest learning curve. But other than that, it's just the greatest field to be in right now. There's so much happening in healthcare, so much of disruption. Just really pleased to be there at this time, part of that journey.
Very nice to know that. So what are your future plans in terms of growth, in terms of expanding customer base?
So the immediate future plan is we are going to be filing for our FDA clearances next month, and we expect to get it in a few months. And as soon as we get that, then we are going to be aggressively marketing it to the medical community, to the hospitals, to the neurologists, and through those channels. And we are looking at addressing other healthcare conditions, Parkinson's, for instance, and other disease states where there are a lot of acute episodes. So there is a lot in front of us, and we've already have a very growing presence, but we are positioning ourselves to do much, much more.
Well, thank you so much for talking to us. I also see you're the winner, TiE winner, so congratulations for that. And good luck with your product and your FDA regulation.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thank you.